Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are doing a huge Walmart unboxing. I've said this previously, but I'm doing these formats of video purely because Walmart stock is selling out so quickly. This is how I can get this information to y'all the fastest so you still have a chance to get your hands on it. Everything's gonna be listed below in the description box as well as over on the pinned comment section, so let's get into it. All right, and I'm gonna start off first with some of the bags. Okay, we're already off to a good one. I forget what the brand is on this one, but Tweed, absolutely anything was huge during the Nordstrom anniversary sale. So anytime I see a tweed jacket on a budget, I grab it up immediately. So this one is from the brand Attitude Unknown. It is this black and white tweed. Oh my gosh, y'all, this looks so much nicer than I even thought it would. It also has a sliver of silver through the tweed, which metallic silver definitely having a moment, and it does have a single button. And yes, the single button is gold. I'm gonna throw this on over what I have on. It is a pretty tight fit for me in the small. Granted, I do have on a little fleece jacket, which this is from Amazon. I will link it below too, if you guys are interested. It's hard to say if this would work on its own. I probably would size one up and get this in a medium. I love the fringe detail. So you do have this fringe at the collar, you have it at the waistline as well as on your wrists. And this isn't a crop style, but it's not a long style either. It is skimming me right at my waistline. I think this blazer is very special looking, looks designer, looks Chanel inspired. And this is, like I mentioned, from the brand Attitude Unknown. That is a Walmart brand. They just primarily do different blazers and jacket styles. Okay, so in here, I do have the cozy wrap from Time & True. If you guys watched my last Walmart video, I did share that awesome Time & True travel set that has socks, an eye mask, a scrunchie, and you're getting the zipper pouch. This is actually the matching cozy wrap to that. So I got this one in the solid, but it also comes in the pattern version. It's also from Time & True. So this is just a cozy shawl wrap style, another one that would be great for gift giving, so keep that one in mind. I also think this would be nice to have for travel in case you get cold in your car or at the airport. And then if you've watched any of my Walmart videos for very long, you know I'm a sucker for a good belt bag. This is a new link from No Boundaries that had a few different color options, but I just really loved this iridescent silver. It's very on trend, does have silver hardware. This is under $10. I think that's a great price. When you open it up on the inside, you do have two kind of bungee pockets, and then you have one large slip pocket. So this also has a really nice thick strap. It's gray and it does look like it's adjustable. And obviously with the strap being nylon, it does have more of an athletic look as opposed to a belt bag that maybe you could dress up. And now that I'm looking at this, especially with the metallic, I think this is one that I would also like around my waist. And it does have a little back zipper here. I love when any handbag, belt bags have this. It's a great place for your cell phone. Okay, so if you watched my last Walmart unboxing, you might have seen me flash these Nutcracker pants up. I was hoping they would be in that video. So here they are. They are a jogger style in this super soft plush, but what looks so special about them has to be this really adorable Nutcracker pattern. It does also have little holiday candies. It has a pink drawstring at the waist as well as pockets. I picked this up in a size small, and I forget how much this was, but I want to say it was around $12 or $13. I know it might seem kind of early for holiday PJs, but they are normally one of the items that go first, especially on a budget. All right, let's bust into a box here. Okay, I could not wait to see this next sweater in person. This is from Time & True. I believe it came in some solid versions as well, but I thought the stripe was very promising. I love my neutrals for the fall and winter time, but there is something that's fun and whimsical holiday about some color options too. I have this in a small, and it does look like it has a nice ribbed crew neckline. And I didn't notice this when I ordered it, but it does have this side button detail that looks extra special. I also like that this is a light to mid-weight sweater, so it's gonna be great for layering up, and I'm expecting this to not be too fitted, but not be too oversized either, just a typical sweater fit. And in addition to the stripe here, it does come in a couple of neutral solids, as well as a really fun hot pink and purple. And that sweater is $18. And here I also have this utility jacket from No Boundaries. This one did take a little bit longer to get here. This one is a crop style. It actually has kind of a fringe raw hem on the bottom. It has an oversized pocket here in the front as well as this zipper. Now I picked this up in a medium, which I think with a tighter turtleneck, which I would love something maybe up around my neck with this. I think that would be fine, but my little fleecy jacket might make it kind of a tight fit. And I also like how lightweight this is. It makes it great if you're having transitional weather, and just all of the details on this jacket do give it a little bit edgier of a style. Okay, this doesn't have a tag on it, but I'm just gonna scan it real quick. That way I can get you guys the facts of the case. So this is under $19. I think that's a great price for a jacket. And this also comes in olive green. So also in this box, I have a red sweater for Time and True that of course just screams Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, but also red's supposed to be the color of the season. I think this is actually quite a beautiful sweater. It does have that classic larger cable knit design. It's a mock turtleneck style. It also looks like it's gonna be a little bit longer, not so long that I'll have leggings bum coverage, but it does have a high-low hem with a side slit. I think this is gonna be a sweater you're gonna be glad you have in your closet come this holiday season. I picked this up in a small, and let's see how much it was. This is $23. It comes in black, a really pretty tan, and of course, that fun Barbie hot pink that is still here. Okay, I'm very happy about this one. As soon as I saw it online, I just could not wait to get my hands on it. This is from the Celebrity Pink at Walmart, and it is this pink corduroy jacket. So it does have this faux shirling detail that's just lining the jacket. So the inside of the jacket is still gonna be pretty lightweight, and it does have that same detail at the cuff and at the waistline. I just loved the pale, almost taupey pink color on this one. And I did order it in a small. In addition to the light pink, it also comes in a denim version. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is so cute. I really like this for this time of year, but I also think pink can go very holiday. So this is something that, depending on your climate, you can wear right now, wear through the winter season. And this is a button jacket. It does also have some side pockets that are pretty far over on the jacket, so I don't really think I'll be using those. But I really love this. I feel like this is a style jacket that I have always been drawn to. If I can find any photos of little Mads and a little fur-lined little faux shirling jacket, I will put that up on the screen. And my next item is from BCBG, which if you did not know, they do have a line at Walmart, BCBG Generation, and it is this faux leather blazer, which actually it looks pretty big. I ordered this in a small, but it looks like it's gonna be that trendy, oversized type of blazer, which is really in right now. So in addition to this chocolate brown, which I love, it does also come in black. It does have a single button here, which does match the jacket. So let's throw it on. It does have a really nice lining that does match. Again, I think that this would fit just fine if it weren't for my little fleecy jacket underneath this, but I really, really like this blazer. It looks very high-end. You do have these two oversized pockets here in the front. It also has this really nice detail, this stitching throughout the jacket that does make it look a little more high-end. It has a slight, very slight shoulder pad. And now that I have this on, this is more of a classic tailored fit. So something that you can keep in your closet forever, and also keep this one in mind, especially for work, any nice event. If you're in the market for a faux leather blazer, this is a good one. So it looks like in this box, I primarily have some pieces from Sofia Vergara's latest holiday collection. I'm gonna start out first with this faux leather dress. Reminded me a lot of an Abercrombie style, so I have high hopes for it. In addition to the black, I think this also comes in brown. It is a tank top style faux leather dress. It does have this kind of paneling here in the front that I think is going to be really flattering, and you do get in and out of the dress with a zipper in the back, so that's nice. And this is super lightweight, much lighter than I would think for faux leather. And then it also does have a slit in the back, but it's not too high. It looks like on the photography that this is going to hit right at the knee or right under the knee. They are showing this and the black one with a pair of heels. I'm gonna try this on with a boot though. I think it's gonna be very wearable, and this is $34, which I think that is a great price to have an entire fall outfit. You could dress this up, wear it right into the holidays, so I think that's a pretty good price. All right, I'm seeing diamonds on this neck sweater, another one that would be great for the holidays. It is a one shoulder style, so it does have this kind of starburst diamond detail down the front on the shoulder, and then it's down one whole shoulder. I got this in a size small in black. It's $26, and it's an asymmetrical one shoulder style. I think this is extremely wearable for the holiday season. You can wear this at Christmas, then get it right back out for New Year's. And I am happy to see that the bedazzle is back in full force. Y'all let me know how you're feeling about this trend in the comments. And my next item is probably what we are all gonna actually be wearing on the holidays. You can wear this on your sofa, around your house. Comment below if you are also team homebodies like me. This is from Joyspun, and I did share over on Instagram. They did a super soft plush robe. It's a short robe in this material, and I saw that they came out with basically a Snuggie dress version. So I had to order it and check it out for myself. It's another one that has a slit in the back. Looks like it has kangaroo pockets. Hold please while I put this on. So this is a hooded style. You do have a kangaroo pocket. It does have two draw cords that do say Joyspun on it, and it is a longer style. It is a whole look, I know. So do I love this? Yes. Would I go anywhere besides my house in this? No. But do I also think that this would be awesome for a family of four to be hanging out on movie night on their couch in it? Yes, I do. So another one that would be great for gift giving. I got this in the white, but you can pick this up in other solids as well as some real cute plaids. All right, I'm lint rolling myself because I really find that with the plushies, and it's not just from Walmart, really anytime you buy this fabric, you're gonna have to wash it a time or two before the shedding will stop. But I really liked this, and y'all, this is under $18. And if you love bodysuits, Sophia just dropped a lot of really great ones. From tank top styles to long sleeve styles. It looks like this one that I have here is a long sleeve version. Wow, the fabric on this is fantastic. I buy a lot of bodysuits. I get them from all over, from higher end to Amazon, and the fabric feels great on this. There's awesome stretch, cool to the touch. Let me see what this is made out of, the website says. They are calling this a buttery soft light stretch nylon blend. The fabric feels really great. Okay, this is a thong bodysuit style, and it's also a pull-on style. Some bodysuits, you do have the snap buttons at the bottom. This is one that you're gonna have to step into. It does look quite small. The cream also looks like it's gonna be a little bit see-through, which is typical of light colored bodysuits. So I know this is also available in brown as well as black. Okay, and this next item, I was stalking the link. I saw these wide leg pants. I think with the Time and True shacket, they had paired it together in the photography. I'm also gonna give Walmart some kudos. Their photography, who else has noticed, has really ramped up this season. I was so excited to see it. But as I ordered this, I was not reading the link very closely because this is actually a corduroy style, which I wasn't expecting. I now love these pants even more. They're calling this a wide leg style, and they mean it. This looks like it is going to be a true wide leg. It does have cargo pockets. It does have a 2-button fly, and I like the details on this pants from the larger belt loops. You do have these nice oversized pockets in the back. I have really high hopes for these. I ordered these in a 4. They are number sizing, and this is the only color under the link. And this next item, when I saw that this was also from Time and True, I was very surprised. It looks like it would be something that came from one of Walmart's more elevated brands. So this is a faux leather style, and they are calling this a straight leg. It looks like in the photography, this is made to be cropped. I'm 5'2" though, so I'm interested to see where this hits me. It does also have these cargo pockets here on the side that do have a button closure, and the button on this is silver. It has an elasticized waist, also a drawstring. You do have functional pockets in the front, and then it has kind of like suit pockets in the back. If I remember correctly, I think these pants are also available in black. And to find a faux leather pair of pants, especially in such a great neutral color, for $22, I think that's a great deal. You would easily see a pair of pants like this be hundreds and hundreds of dollars. So in here, I do have this Sherpa little pullover style. This is from Avia. And what drew me to this was the fun two-tone color. It's winter white, but then it has this really great taupe, kind of mushroomy accent. And this looks pretty big actually. Okay, so I did size up to this in a medium. It does have snap closures in the same mushroom color, which always makes these styles look more expensive. It does look like this is gonna be a little bit more of a crop style. I'll attempt to double fleece it, y'all. We'll see how this looks. Okay, I think this is very cute. It definitely is a more crop style. I'm not getting bum coverage. And Avia is an athletic brand at Walmart, so keep this one in mind over your workout clothes, whether you are taking a nice walk outside, but I would equally wear this with just a pair of blue jeans. And I was hoping these items would make it into today's video, and it's the satin pant from Sophia. High sellout risk on these, y'all. These are gonna go very quickly. I did pick these up in a size 4, and they are calling this their cargo satin pant. It does look like it's gonna be more of a straight leg style. It has a matching fabric belt. It has large utility pockets, the side cargo pocket. I think these are a really pretty pant. I can tell by the fabric that they're gonna have a nice drape on them. And this is gonna be a straight to tapered style at the ankle, I'm thinking. And they are also calling this a super high-rise style. So I'm very anxious to see how these fit, and they're under $30. Another item that I think has a great price point that you could wear these to office, you could go to a holiday party in these. That's some of where I think budget really shines, is items like this from other places would be so much more expensive. But I also picked these up in black. I think they're right here. You can't go wrong with either one of these colors. Ooh, actually they look sharp in black. I'm not sure how much the satin look is coming across on camera, but these look very dressy, really nice in the black too. All right, let's see what we have going on in this big box over here. Ooh, I see a pair of shoes. Oh, I see a couple pairs of shoes. All right. So this first pair is a heeled boot from No Boundaries, and I remember thinking that the color online looked really pretty. So let's see how it looks in real life. Ooh, these are fun. So they are a taupey lug sole boot, but what's really special about them is this kind of sweater material on the back of the ankle. They are a lace-up style. They have some pretty noticeable silver hardware. You have a silver zipper on the side, and it looks like it has great grippies on the bottom. This is one that I'm hopeful I will feel very sure-footed in the snow and the rain, because typically when I'm in colder climates, I do like this style. And I picked these up in a size 9. They are under $30. I do remember these coming in a black as well, but I think that taupe is really special. And it looks like I have a pair of shoes here from Scoop. Oh yeah, this is their patent pump. We will see how these feel, but they looked very pretty online. And this came in so many great colors. I had a really hard time choosing, but I didn't have a brown pointed toe heel already in my closet, so that's why I went with these. It is a stiletto pump. This is a tall heel, pointed style, and then the strap goes up the ankle. It does have a little extender on the side. This is a really pretty shoe, and I just picked these up in my typical size 9. So that faux leather dress that I shared earlier from Sophia also comes in a pant version. So if you're more of a pant girl, I think you are going to love this. Let me get off the top first so I can show y'all. It looks like somebody just cut the tank dress and gave you a faux leather pant. So the top looks stylistically very similar. So you can see here, it is this faux leather tank top style top. You still get in and out with the zipper, which you can do a lot with a black faux leather tank. You can put this under a cardigan, put it under a blazer. So that's what the top looks like. And then here is the matching, looks like wide leg pant. I am so curious to see what this looks like on. It has a nice thick waistband. It is a stretchy style. It doesn't look like there's a zipper. There's no hardware on this. I'm actually really surprised. So this is a pull-on faux leather pant. I am actually quite excited about these. I feel like this is gonna be like my favorite black yoga pants, but just in a faux leather style. And as I'm looking at the height, I think this is gonna be good for my taller girls too. I picked the pants up in a size small. I was worried about how the top would fit me, so I did go ahead and get the top in a medium. And in addition to the black, you can also get that same little faux leather 2-piece set in brown. Y'all, that is so pretty. I would love to throw a blazer on top of this, maybe even throw it on with my new Scoop stiletto. That is really pretty. All right, y'all, that does wrap up today's Walmart unboxing haul. I had so much fun unboxing, hanging out with you guys, talking about Walmart. So if you love Walmart, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Also, be sure to follow me over on Instagram at Madison Payne Style, where I share Walmart find dailies. Oh, I also forgot to do a secret emoji. I've been so bad about that lately. I do have my boots here in front of me, so let's go ahead and make today's secret emoji be the boot emoji. Leave that for me below in the comment section so I know you've stuck it out with me this long. And if you're interested in any of today's items, they will be listed below in the description box as well as over on the pinned comment section. But thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see y'all in the next one.